high above the Himalayan mountains. An Emirates Boeing 777 made its final descent. Storm clouds closed around the aircraft. Fog swallowed the hidden runway. And after one final landing, the giant never flew again. For decades, rain, snow, and nature consumed the abandoned aircraft. The runway disappeared beneath forests. The engines fell silent. The mountains slowly erased its existence. Then, restoration crews arrived. Massive cranes climbed the mountains. Engineers rebuilt the aircraft, piece by piece. Damaged engines were restored. The broken fuselage came back to life. And after decades abandoned above the clouds, the Emirates giant flew once again.